Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Community Relations Marketing Functional Conversation. I'm Christina Hupy, Senior Manager of Community Programs. Let's start off by meeting the Community Relations team. The Community Relations team has several sub-programs within it, so we'll start there. First is Developer Evangelism. This team works on thought leadership, speaking, CFPs, community, and social engagement. And on this team is Abu Bakr, Michael, Fatima, and it's led by John. And then next, we have the Evangelist program, which is responsible for GitLab meetups, and then also our Heroes program. And that team is Jamie Rachel, also led by John. Next up, we have our Code Contributor program, which is primarily responsible for the GitLab Hackathon and collaborates closely with contributor success and our leading orgs program, and that is Christos. And then next, we have the community programs team, which involves our GitLab for Education and GitLab for Open Source and GitLab for Startups programs, where we provide free ultimate licenses to these communities of value and also build community through targeted outreach and engagement. And that team is Alex, PJ, and Brian, and that's led by me, Christina. So let's talk a little bit about what we do on the team. The community relations team influences many different parts of our customer journey, but our two primary focus areas are awareness and evangelism. So specifically, we focus on building our contributor community and helping with their success. So attracting and retaining contributors to fuel our dual flywheel strategy. Next is thought leadership, and those two are closely related. So helping contributors be successful with our product. So generating interest in GitLab through compelling content and thought leadership activities. And then driving adoption. So increasing awareness and the number of users in GitLab, specifically within communities of value, such as higher education, open source, and startups through targeted outreach, and also supporting and collaborating with our sales teams. If you'd like to view our full FY24 strategy, there is a link down there in the bottom left where you can dig in and learn more. So why do we do this work? Well, first of all, the most important thing is awareness. So owning the category and building the buzz, increasing the number of people who know about GitLab and get excited about it. And then next is really the technical aspect. So empowering the community to find the resources that they need to be successful and help them connect the dots, especially kind of with our different aspects of the life cycle and our technology partners. And then expansion. So that's the community programs aspect as well, driving adoption and community values. So some of our metrics for FY24 are the number of monthly contributors, members and leading orgs number of impressions, event impact. So number of speaking opportunities, engagement of the booth and within those speaking opportunities. And then community involvement. So GitLab meetups, webinars, workshops, campus visits, newsletter signups, forum activity, and badges issued. And then we also measure content pieces, views, and share voice. And then lastly, on the community program side, we measure the number of institutions and startups and open source projects that enroll in our community programs, and then the renewal rates and the number of seats issued. Lastly, how to engage with community relations. So there are main Slack channels there. Community relations is just kind of a catch-all to chat with the team. Developer evangelism is specific to just that. So content updates, great place to see kind of what the team is working on. Thought leadership, CFP discussions, and then that's a great channel for support with community responses. And then our communities programs channel is for any inquiries regarding community programs. So if you're on the sales side and you want to work with us to understand what's happening with a program member, or you're collaborating in a blog post or a customer case study, that's a great channel to reach out to us. And then education is evangelism is a catch-all also for collaborating with GitLab for Education. And then there is a link to our handbook page in our Community Relations GitLab group, where you can see our epics and issues and everything that we're working on. And then we wanted to provide some key resources because this is such a large team and we do so many different things. So some important ones there that other teams within marketing might be interested in is requesting a developer evangelism support for an event or a CFP or speaking engagement. Everything about the forum, requesting assistance with community response is the big one. Getting involved with meetups, reaching out to our heroes, Hacker News responses. And then we have a one-stop shop for collaborating with community programs there. That was a sales enablement that we did, but it has everything that you need to know about working with community programs. Our hackathon, non-sales university connections for education, a community building reading group. Everyone is welcome to join and kind of hop in and out as you see a topic of interest. And then some information there on our startups and open source program. I hope this gives you all the information that you need to get started collaborating with the team, and we look forward to working with you all in FY24. Thank you.